Hey friends, and welcome to another edition of Timmy Talks. I am so excited to show you this today. I'm so excited to be here. I am at the first Indian grocery store located in the greater Palm Springs area here, just past the border of Palm Springs. And I am so excited. Let's go check it out. Come along, it should be fun. Okay, so I am here at what is called the Spice Rack. And I think that they've been open for a little bit, but I didn't know anything about it until I saw an ad on Facebook. And look, they even have like flowers hanging in the window. I love this, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go in the store. I am so excited. Oh, look, right away here, they have some puja things going on. I'm so excited to see this. Look at all the flowers, look at the trays. Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay, so where shall we start? How about we start here? Oh, look it, there's cream roll cookies, some biscuits, and look at snacks. You don't know how much I have missed this. Look, they even have magic masala lays. It's one of my favorite things to get. And they have those here. So if you've not tried magic masala lays, they're spicy, but they are so good. You've definitely got to try those. They have chili lemon. Oh boy, look at all these wonderful snacks. And okay, so here is my favorite section with all of the rusks, the different rusks and the biscuits, or cookies as we call them. Here's Jira ones, and ajwain, and Punjabi biscuits. Wow, I'm loving this. All the rusk. I love rusk. And they even have like the sesame seed balls, crackers, tea rusks. Oh my goodness. And this is so exciting. They have a live sort of counter here. Not exactly live, but look, you can get some sort of flatbreads and your rotis, parathas, bread. Oh, this is actually, I don't know anything about this. This is a really nice looking bread, nice and soft. Comes from a bakery. And look, you can get your gulab jamun here, but then they have, I know that they have ladoos and all the milk sweets, coconut macaroons. I think they're sold out. I came a little bit later in the day here, but they do have some ladoos usually. Okay, so let's check it out. What else? Oh, they have kulfi. Oh my gosh, if you guys don't know what kulfi is, and most of you do, I'm sure, but it's like an ice cream, but it's very milky and it's so good. They have pistachio and kesar, which is cardamom, mango. Oh my goodness, malai, which is cream. They have a chocolate one. I think I might have to get some of that before I go. All right, let's see here. And they just got a big shipment of things in, so they're stocking things. If you need big amounts of rice, you can get that. Pani puri, if you want to make some pani puri, they have the balls here. And then I'm sure they have everything that you need in order to make pani puri. And here's more bondi, and here's more like snacks. Oh my gosh, this is really one of my favorite. Potato, burji, and let's see here. Oh my goodness, so exciting. And look, they even have, okay, before I go on there, let's see. Oh, Jira, what are these? It says mouth fresheners. Oh, wow. Masala, orange. I like these little orange candies. And they have a whole section here of nuts, chana. I can get little chana snacks. And peanuts, almonds. Oh, I need to pick me up some almonds today. So that's nice. And spices. And there's going to be a whole rack over here of spices. And look, they have everything for you to make Indian dishes from scratch. And pepper sauces, honeys, all the different honeys, hot chocolate. And we have, let's see here, black currant and lovely. Let's see. Okay, so here's all of the spices, and they have everything that you need. Chili powder, coriander, chaat, curry powder, then the different curry leaves and pre-mixes for fish and for shawarma and masala and just everything that you would need. And here's all the little powder spices down below, coriander seeds, cumin. Boy, this is so amazing to find. And I have been driving pretty far to go get my Indian supplies, so I'm very excited that I can get these here. And then I, of course, use all these when I'm making big dishes. They have chicken dishes and garam masalas, which is a mix of all sorts, ground cumin, and let's see. All right, we have a bunch of teas, bitter melon. Oh, these are like for health. I remember that these are like not like Ayurvedic, like kind of natural things to take, like vitamin wise. And let's see. So here's where we're going to have all of the moon dal and lentils, all the beans, and we have oils. If you're trying to find mustard oil, which is really hard to get anywhere else except for like an Indian store, you can get mustard oil. And let's see what else we hear. Almond oil, olive oil, coconut milk, which is used a lot in cooking, and let's see, a bunch of chana, and we have tapiocas, poha, look, already ready to go. Parched rice, look, it's ready to cook, make those dishes. And we have dal mixes, yellow split peas. If you need to make some split peas, this is a nice place to come get these. And oh look, you can get different sort of waters for flavoring of foods, and they even have rose water. So if anybody is interested in buying rose water, you need to do this. This is good for making all sorts of sweets and candies as well. So that's hard to find as well. You don't have to order on Amazon. You can order right here in the store. Come get it here in the Greater Palm Springs area. Pickles for your little side dishes, and then garlic, beans, and then here's whole spices if you want some spices. Dried figs or mint leaves, thyme. And here we have, again, a lot of mustard oil. Ghee, of course, ghee is a staple in cooking Indian food. Brown sugar, quinoa, and all of that. And let's see here. If we go down this aisle, you can get, they have like Maggi things if you want to get like noodles, cereal. And then here, this is my staple for making Indian dishes. It's the ginger garlic paste, and it's great to have that. Again, I don't have to travel so far to get this stuff. I'm very excited. And we have a lot of pickles. And now here's the Indian sauces that they sell at most grocery stores. And if you don't want to put all the spices together and make it yourself, these little already made sauces are good. Just like saute some chicken, add the sauce, add some vegetables, good to go, put it over rice. It's very good and very easy, convenient. And let's see here, what else do we have? All right, so here's like shampoos and conditioners from India. There's some really great toothpastes that some of them taste like clove, some of them taste like neem is an interesting flavor. There's all sorts of different things. You don't always have to get the mint or the cinnamon here that we have in the US. There's other things to actually try that are very, very good. All the oils for your hair and even hair colors. And then there's a whole section of tea or things to deal with making tea or serving tea. They do have like equipment down here as well. I'm loving that. And let's see here. They have, coming up is like all of the puja or worship section. So if you're Hindu, or even if you're non-Hindu, if you're Buddhist or just enjoy incense, this is a great place to come and try out the different incense. Let's see. Something around here smells really, really good. Something, I smell India right here. There is really, one of these is like, I always love these rose ones. Boy, that smells wonderful. When I was in Sarnath, which is where Buddha did his first sermon in India, the whole place has rose incense everywhere. So it's just amazing. It always takes me back down to Sarnath. Here's sandalwood. Oh, that's good. And like ylang ylang. And look, there's even a Sai Baba one. Wow. I'm gonna have to go through these and pick some incense that really is calling to me. And then they have, all of the different things that might be needed for worshiping. They even have like some sound bowls and sage, if you like to burn sage, or these are for the lamps, to put little lights into the lamps when they do the arti. And these are incense burners. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's beautiful. I love that. And so yeah, they have everything that you would need here to, that you would get in an Indian store. So that you would need as a grocery store. So then they have a whole section here, paradas, potato parada, stuffed with different things. I have some frozen vegetables. Oh, look at these. Are these jamuns? Oh my goodness. This is an Indian fruit. One of my favorites, jamun. You can actually get it here. They're so hard to get, and they actually have them here. Wow, bindis are ladyfingers or okra. And they have some kulcha. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love it. And then they have, of course, frozen vegetables. Look, you can get guavas, regular corn coconut. If you're looking for shredded coconut, where can you find that? That's hard to get. And spring rolls. And then they have some ice cream. Oh my goodness, ice cream. And they have halwa and milk cakes and some ice creams. And I love the rotis. Oh, you can even get like a little Indian burger of some sort. I bet you it's maybe vegetarian. I've never had that before. All the different cheeses, if you want different cheeses. Oh, look at these, like fresh cheese. Oh, that's lovely. That's amazing. Look, they even have like cottage cheese. Kefir, so good for you. Wow, yogurts. Now these are the real deal. These are the yogurts that you need for probiotics. Don't get the ones in the grocery store. They're all full of sugar and hardly anything good for you. These are the ones, the gopi ones, are really good for you. And then they have some pre-made Indian dinners. I've actually tried these. These are really decent for, something that you do very quickly and on the go. They even have little samosas. If you've not had a samosa, you need to get this and come cook these. They're full of potatoes and peas, and they were originally deep fried, but of course you're just going to heat them up, I would imagine. And different little idlis, so you can put little different chutneys with them. And then here we have the milks and lassies. So if you have not had a lassi before, this is like my favorite, rose flavored lassi. And then that one's mango. That's regular. It's like a yogurt drink. It's like it's better than kefir, actually. It's not bitter, it's not sour like kefir. So those are like my favorite. And then we have some more puja things for making arti. You can put the offering in here, and then the lights, and then big bags of rice and supplies and things like that. And we have some fresh vegetables here. Look at it, here's bitter fruit. I love that. And then this is rue, and this is some sort of cucumber-ish kind of thing, I think. And look at okra or lady's fingers, and then brinjal or eggplant. And look at, they have a little cute little pickle. Oh my gosh, I actually grow these. We call these in English tindora, and I actually have some of these growing in my yard. And they actually sell them here. That's awesome. I love that. Look, you can get, are these fresh green beans? These look like fresh green beans. Oh my goodness, wow. Potato, what are these? Are these tomatoes? Yeah, these are tomatoes. And, oh, it's lovely. Look at, you can get, hey, if you just need an onion or some garlic, the other day I was like, I need to get just one onion. And I was like, now I gotta go to the grocery store. Look at these persimmons. Oh my goodness, those look beautiful. Oh wow, love, love, love it. Look, you can even get peanuts if you wanna make some roasted peanuts. And everything is lovely. I am just in love with this store. Wow. All right, so I am here with the owner of the store, Jyoti. I'm so excited to be in your store, I have to tell you.
Thank you.
So
I'm excited.
How long have you had the store open?
So it's almost 11 months.
11 months?
Yeah, we opened in last February. So
Wow,
yeah.
How has business been?
Business is good so far. Like all the communities, they are supporting us. It's just not the Indians,
Yeah.
the local people.
Right.
Yeah, and then we have one aisle for Sri Lankan people. And then we have 3-4 aisles for Middle Eastern, and then we have British goods as well. So
Right.
we are catering to different communities.
Well, I'm really very excited because the nearest store that I ever knew about was out in Riverside, which
Yes,
is 60 miles away from us.
Yeah.
So to come here right out of Palm Springs to have our own Indian store is amazing to me.
That has made us open the store because the Indians, they were commuting to Riverside or to LA to get their groceries. So we thought of opening an Indian store here.
It's
so that
amazing.
it's
Thank you for
convenient to
doing that.
everyone.
Yes, thank you so much for doing that. Now, I had not seen or heard about your store until I saw an ad on Facebook. So thank you for advertising on Facebook. It worked.
And
So
yeah,
hopefully
yes.
more people will see because of this
sure,
video.
Definitely.
And so tell me more, like you come from India.
Yes.
And the area you're from is
North of India.
North of India.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah.
And so in the store you sell both North and South Indian
Yes,
foods.
Yes.
And I saw that you have a whole bunch of sweets over here.
Yes.
Is the thought maybe eventually to have any kind of live counter?
Yeah, so we are, I don't know when, but it's like we are planning to open a kitchen here.
I would love
Yes,
that.
yes,
I'm
yes.
sure many people would love that.
Yes.
That's a
yes,
great
yes.
idea.
That's our future plan.
Yeah,
for
perfect.
this, yeah.
So what made you come to this area aside from because you know that there would be people? Is there anything that brought you here?
I think the destiny. It's like we haven't chosen the place has chosen
Okay,
us.
so that's great.
That is like
I
have
believe
to
that.
believe in that.
Yeah, for sure. That's great. That's wonderful. Now, if people want to order something specific, like I know that one of the things I'm always looking for are like tulsi pots or something like that.
Which one?
Tulsi,
Okay.
which is the
Tulsi.
Yeah, tulsi. So, are you able to order things for people, and if they have any special orders?
Definitely.
Because you have that access to India
Yes,
and you have the
yes,
shipping.
yes,
So,
yes. We've been doing that a lot. you
Oh,
know.
great.
We have added inventory according
Yeah.
to people's
what
choice.
people's want, yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. I mean, I literally just like a kid in a candy store, like get this.
Yeah.
So I'm just hoping that most people come and see your store. It's amazing.
Yeah. We welcome everyone. Please do visit our store.
All right. Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
letting me walk around your store and
Yeah,
for taking the
sure,
time to talk to me
sure.
today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Well, I tell you, I am just elated and excited to be at the Spice Rack today. This store is so amazing to get snacks and food and everything that you need for a real India experience. Come here to the Spice Rack and just check it out. Taste the foods, grab something new. So many good things. Thanks for watching today's edition of Timmy Talks. We'll see you soon. Take care now. Bye.